spaghetti with tuna and tomato sauce. Let's go! Guys, mamma mia. All these small ingredients together, the onion, capers, anchovies, that they give really nice print to tuna, guys. This is my version, and I think that this combination is try at home, and you will tell me. Guys, thanks a lot for your time. I will leave here another link for another Italian pasta recipe. And if you would like to support me, I will leave here the link for the subscription. And thanks a lot for your time, guys. See you next week. Ciao a tutti.